beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. By day, a wonderland of hope, with riches and fame just around the corner. Travelers converge from across the globe for their chance at that pot of gold. Brooke and I are here at the 2014 SEMA Show.
The automotive event that brings all the boys to the yard.
Brings some of the industry's brightest minds
and hottest products in one place.
Every year, SEMA presents an enormous trade show in Las Vegas, Nevada. The variety is mind-boggling. If you can think of it or dream it, someone's built it. Since 1963, Specialty Equipment Marketing Association, or SEMA, has been showcasing all the newest products and innovations in the automotive world. TerraFlex stands apart in the industry. The guys at TerraFlex, they're all Jeepers. TerraFlex innovates while others follow. And that seemed to be especially the case this year at SEMA. And while it's a little flattering, it was also disappointing to see several well-known companies use TerraFlex as their R&D department. That's okay. TerraFlex will continue to lead and innovate, and I guess others will continue to follow. In the year 2000, TerraFlex developed and built the first Jeep-specific axle housing. Now, prior to the development of the Terra 60R, it was a question of taking a junkyard housing and adapting it to the off-road market. The all-new Terra 60 JK-specific axle housing includes many innovations that are designed to enhance the highway experience while providing extreme durability and longevity. We maintain the traditional unit-bearing 5-on-5 as well as the 5-on-5.5 bolt pattern option. But TerraFlex heard the cry for a full-float, 8-lug extreme-duty solution. Both options include our massive big brake kit. With a closer look at the new full-float kit, some of its features stand out. The heavy-duty slim lock hubs give us maximum clearance and a default to lock. They also provide unsurpassed durability. But as we look at the outer knuckles, there are some subtle changes that will provide not-so-subtle results. All of the factory steering angles are maintained. Everything from scrub radius to SAI to caster and camber, they're all addressed. A true JK-specific knuckle. The inner forged C is the strongest to date, and it's pressed and welded onto a 3¼ inch axle tube. Using the additional diameter, we gain substantial strength. The center section is a work of art. The high clearance design includes high volume internal oiling as well as Super 60 compatibility. And of course, all the JK standard sensors have a home here. The integrated upper control arm mount provides for a full 2 inches of additional up travel, which will allow for improved articulation. Steering was not neglected when the new Terra 60 was designed. A massive new 1.5" chrome moly tie rod assembly was developed with forged ends and adjustable ball joint cartridges. Frequent replacement will be a thing of the past. Thanks to all our amazing friends and supporters. And you know what? We're going to keep it coming. I'm Dennis at TerraFlex, and I'm a pretty big deal.